Guys, this is Sawmill Parkway by Hearst Street, motor vehicle accident involving multiple cars. This is the first car, so I'm just showing you this so you guys can avoid the area if you can. So this is the first vehicle. This appears to be the second vehicle. And that is the third vehicle, the one that appears to have more damage. So let me see if I can get...
No, because they moved the cones and this is and the light is still out since Tuesday. This is Sunday. There were no
Now, this is becoming a little dangerous intersection because the lights, as you guys can see up there, are not working. And they have some cones not allowing cars to go across the parkway and make a left towards north. You have to make a right towards south. But the tape that you see between the cones were not there before the accident. They just put them there. So it's very dangerous. I passed by here maybe about 30 minutes ago, and there was a big gap between the cones. So if you're driving on Hearst towards the sawmill, you could actually see the space, and people could think that you could go through that, but you couldn't. So this is extremely dangerous. You want to tell me? So are you a driver from which car, ma'am? So as you guys, let me show you how this goes. You come down on Hearst and you get to the intersection. The intersection lights are not working. How you doing, sir? You appear to be a little hurt down there, huh?
Yes.
Now, tell me what happened.
Okay, I was coming
From the other side of the
the
parkway.
other side of the parkway, and the point was opening, and I was just waiting with my wife behind me to cross to this side. And there was no traffic coming this way, and there was no traffic coming that way. And suddenly, when I reached up to that point, this car just tracked out of nowhere.
Well, actually, let me tell you something. I was here about 30 minutes ago, right here at this light. And I could see the poles on there with a very wide opening, which gave the drivers a feeling like you be careful, but you could go through it.
Yes.
So this should have been many poles there, so people would not have an idea that you could come through.
Yes.
Of course, but they have to prevent it, you know. Just to stop it, just for the fact that that won't be the line.
This is my brother.
I'm a Marco, his brother. I work for Liberty Lines. And the situation here is, if the people don't take the precaution before entering those angles, it's going to be happening the whole day long.
You're right. So it's very dangerous. I saw the cones very wide open.
Very wide open.
They've-
Actually, I just stopped and spoke with the police officer, and he actually ended close the point, as you can see. More close.
So it's not access from across the street.
So,
Yes, actually,
it's kind of like confused.
yeah, actually that's what I just reported. Now you can see the tapes between the cones, but it was not there before.
Yeah, that's the proper way to do it.
It was not there because
It wasn't like that.
I was here 30 minutes ago. There was no tape.
So thank you. I guess you were one of the witnesses. We had somebody else who actually was we ended got her phone number. She was about to cross to the other side after I crossed, she was saying. So, kind of confused.
It is. I was here and I saw it. And I thought the same. Why is this wide open? Can you go through? Can't you go through?
You know, I never spent it. I was supposed to go with my family for a lunch reunion. And now that stuff is going to happen, I guess, you know, I'm injured. As
You should go to the hospital and make sure everything is okay.
My arm, I cannot move my arm. Well,
Aren't you going to the hospital?
yes.
You should
but I
go.
have to go to the hospital.
Because today it might not hurt too much, but tomorrow it might. Thank you.
You need to go to the hospital because he got a bruise and he got a cut
Thank you for
in the
your
ankle.
And if you need anything, please look at Yonkers Voice. Okay? If you need me,
You got a magazine or paper?
newspaper,
A newspaper.
a digital paper.
The guy says, Bernie Rudy. Thank you. Have a present too. What is your phone number, my